Hello ladies, this is the Lady of Lace and I am coming to do a quick review on a new unit. Yes, I have a new lace front wig that I purchased off eBay. This is a human hair lace front. It is a yaki straight texture in a jet black color, and the length is 18 inches, which is a very long unit, if you can see that. Just give you a side view as well as the back view of it. But the hair texture, I love it. It is so nice. And I'm hoping you can see how long it is. It comes past my bra straps. And I was at the drive-thru getting my lunch, and the girl was like, "Wow, you have beautiful hair. Is all that yours?" So of course I lied. No, I didn't. I told her no, it's not. But it is mine because I paid for it. But wanted you to see I have at least 3 inches of parting in the top. And hopefully you can see all of that. I don't have it parted straight, but it gives you a nice parting. So the first track is here, and all of this is lace. So you get at least 3 inches of partings, and they are wispy hairs. I don't have them pulled out, but you do have wispy hairs on this one. And so if you wanted to, it was very hot today, so it was more just getting the hair off my face. And with this being a dark color, it just seems to generate just a little more heat than the lighter colors. But as you can see, I did not cut these. These are the ones that came with the wig. So you get a nice amount of wispy hairs on it so that your hairline looks more natural. I normally get a 1B or a 2 or 4, and this time I got it in a 1. And it's a very dark color, but I think I'm okay with it, with my skin tone. I'm still having those issues with the two-tone skin. My skin has taken a beating from the sun this year. And so hopefully the one jet black is not too dark on me. Let me know what you think. This is a beautiful unit. Like I said, I bought it off of eBay. And I actually used my Vapon Lace FX tape as well as some liquid adhesive, which I have. Oh, here it is. This is a liquid adhesive that I used on top of the tape, and I let the liquid get tacky, so it stayed on for about 5 minutes before I actually applied the unit down. And there was a young lady on the YT who did a video on how to get her natural part, and what she used was a eyeliner pencil in white, believe it or not. And so that's what I did. I just happened to have a white eyeliner pencil, and where my stocking cap stopped, maybe a third of the way, my stocking cap stopped about here, and from here on down you can see the difference between the stocking cap and my scalp. And so what I used is this white eyeliner pencil, and I just colored in some white there, and then I used the Fabric Mate, my magic marker, and put this on top of the white, and that what made it look like my scalp was the same as my scalp was the same color. Excuse me. So I didn't have that different tone or different color just in that area. But that was a very good tip that I found from another young lady, and I can't remember the actual video because I look at so many other videos about how they apply their lace and how they create their parts, and I just take a little bit from everybody and incorporate it and see what works for me. So soft and pretty, and I wish you could see the texture. I'm trying to get as close as I can, just to show you how much it resembles our hair. And I also use my magic marker around the edges just to kind of camouflage the lace so that you won't see it. And I think I did a pretty good job on that. But let me know what you think. It's a very nice unit. I may need to put just a little bit there because I see some of the white, and I'm not sure if that's the tape. So let me show you how that works. Okay, you see that little white area right in here? I'm just going to, and I'm looking in my mirror, so forgive me. I'm just going to apply my magic marker, my Fabric Mate, in that area. And voila. See? That's gone. I love this. This is so cool. I like it. It's very pretty. And I'll just let you guys see how I rock her during the day as I cruise down the freeway in my drop top. Anyway, let me know what you think.